No problem. So we're going to start same like a driving test.
Hmm.
Your driving test is going to be half an hour.
Mm-hmm.
There are going to be 2 stages of the driving test.
Mm-hmm.
First stage and second stage. First stage, they're going to take you in little bit in quieter roads, and they're going to say to you turn left, turn right, turn left, and after that 5-6 minutes later they're going to say to you do a 3-point turn or reverse parking. They're going to choose one of them, and after that they're going to say to you please pull over to left hand side. Okay? So that one is going to be your first stage, and after that your second stage will be start. In the second stage they're going to take you little bit busier roads, like a residential little bit like a residential area, main roads, stop sign, give way sign, and after that they're going to bring you back to Vic Road, and that's how your test is going to be. Yeah, and before starting your driving test it's going to be pre-driving check.
Yes.
Pre-driving check means they're going to ask you the basic function of the car. So let's start now.
Okay.
So left indicator please, right indicator, indicator off, low beam please.
Low beam. This is already is low. This one, right?
Yeah, headlight please, high beam please.
Sorry, I did all the way around.
Yeah, this is headlight.
Yes.
High beam is just push
Oh,
back.
high beam. This one is.
High beam is blue light.
Yeah,
High
yeah.
beam off,
Yeah.
headlight off, low beam off. Washroom wiper please. Show me front demister please.
Front is this one. Oh, sorry. Acha, okay. Yeah.
Show me back demister please.
This one.
Hazard light please.
Hazard light. This one.
Hand brake please.
This one.
Brakes please.
This one.
Horn please. Very good, well done. So after asking these things they're going to say to you when you feel safe, when you're ready, take a Vic Road exit please.
Okay.
Then just start your driving test.
Okay. Just a question.
Yep.
So this is for the pressing, right?
In the driving test, if they ask you about the demister, you don't need to press. For
I know, I
demister,
will not
you
press
just
it.
need to point
Yeah, this one, right?
this one and this one.
No, I'm thinking if we need to operate during the because it's raining.
Yeah, very
That's
good.
why I
So
should know.
especially it's a raining time now.
Yes.
If you need to operate, you just need to press.
That's it.
And for this button, you just need to do it like this.
Okay, so this one is like that, and this is just
This
the
is
press.
And just keep it a little bit fan on, and the air going to come to a mirror, and the fog will go away.
Yeah.
We're going to keep in the driving test.
What?
The demister, we're going to keep it on.
On.
You don't need to do on anything. You don't need to get confused.
Okay, that's
So
it.
I'm going to keep it on for you.
Oh, perfect.
So no problem. When you feel safe, when you're ready, take a Vic Road exit, please.
All right. Okay. So, kitchen go there. It's already on, right?
Car is already on.
Yeah. Yes. Oh, there is a car behind.
Yeah.
Can I go?
No, you can't reverse. See, the exit is just there.
Oh, sorry. I thought there was.
This is Carlton Vic Road exit.
No, I
is
thought
just that
we are
way.
going back. Okay.
Make sure whenever you start to move,
The indicator?
go with indicator.
Yes.
Go with first give your indicator, and then move.
Yeah. Okay.
That's how you need to do.
right. That's
First, always check your mirrors.
Yeah.
Center mirror, left indicator, and then start to move. If
Okay,
you
cool.
are on parking position.
Yeah. Always.
If
Yes.
you're going left, then check left side mirror. If you're going right, then right side mirror.
Okay. Cool.
Make sure always add center mirror,
Yeah. First center and then left or right.
left or right.
Okay, cool. Shall we?
Yeah.
Okay. Speedometer is this one.
Oh, this one. Take a left, please. Make sure keep your indicator on. If the indicator is switch off, you need to give it again. So we're going to do U-turn from here, please.
From there?
From there, yeah.
Is this how they're going to do the?
Yes. They're going to say to you, do U-turn from here.
So right now, did I have to do head check while taking the U?
No head check,
No.
because no one can overtake.
Okay.
Head check you need to do it only there where someone can overtake you.
Okay. So this is how they are going to.
Do a reverse parking please behind this white car.
We don't have this one, so इसमें क्या confusion थी? Do I have to look back all the way, or can I look back?
Just one time. After that you can just check your surrounding. Make sure you're going top of the curb.
I'm going top of the curb right
Top
now.
of the curb, yep.
Okay.
You already crossed. Make sure you need to feel, because when you was going back, I was feeling you going top up, but you was not feeling.
Okay.
So you should go very slowly. If you're touching anything, just stop.
Okay.
Just stop. Because if you will touch, no problem. But
Okay.
if you when you're going top of that, then there is a problem.
Okay. In case in the test I do like this and I get a feeling at the last minute that it's going to touch, can I then stop?
Stop and you can go forward again.
Going
Go-
forward is alright.
Go forward again straight
Okay.
away.
Okay, let's do that.
Make sure don't create too much discomfort.
Okay. So let's do that again.
Keep your left indicator on.
Yeah.
Make sure before reversing check back. It's very important when you're reversing, you need to always check back. Do very slow, keep your foot on the brake, no need to give you accelerator.
I think
And if you can't attempt in a one time, you can do again as well, no problem.
no problem, right?
No problem. In for reverse parking, there is a four movements are allowed. So
Acha,
this parking you did just in a 2 movements.
This is
one
good?
one time you just come back, and second time you just went straight. So in for reverse parking, there is a 4 movements are allowed.
Reverse parking.
Move-
So this one.
This reverse parallel.
Reverse
parking.
parallel. Okay. I didn't.
So I meant to say 4 movements. How they count like a movement? When you go reversing, it's a one time. When you going straight again,
Second time.
second time. So when you can go again reverse and again forward. So you can do 2 times.
So right now what I did in the
It's a
second.
perfect.
Okay.
It's a perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
So when you feel safe, when you're ready, keep going straight, please.
Okay. So let me just go back a little.
Make sure always check back.
This
Most
one.
of the students, they make a mistake of checking the back mirror.
Regarding back, one technical question, like if I'm doing back, do I have to look in the rear?
No, not in the rear glass.
No, back
Back one.
all the time, or
No, just one time.
so suppose I'm going back, I saw this and then I'm looking here and reversing. Is
Then
that
you can do it. Then you can do it.
first time I have to look back?
First you need to look
2-3
back
seconds.
in the rear mirror. Yes.
Okay.
Just for one time. Could be 1 second. Could be 2 seconds.
But after that I can
Whatever you
still
feel comfortable.
look in the mirror and go
After
back.
that you can check your surrounding. You can check your left. You can check your right. You can check your center.
Correct.
Whatever is comfortable for
Because if I continuously look back, then maybe the
you.
steering-
Maybe you're going to lose the control from the front side.
So that's okay. I can
That's
look
okay. Yeah. You just need to check it one time, and after that you can just look your surrounding.
Perfect. Shall we?
Yeah. When you feel safe, when you're ready, keep going straight again, please. Look, very important thing here you missing as well. So whenever your car go to stationary position, parking position, and when you going out from the parking, you need to check your mirrors. You need to give your indicator. That's already you done very good.
Yes.
You are just missing one thing.
Yes.
You need to do right shoulder check.
Oh, so I need to look back. I was looking here.
No. The
What?
mirror is
Just-
not even.
Okay, 1 second. Sorry. हाँ मैं पहुंच गया हूँ. I'm taking the test. I will not call in some time. Okay. मैं मैसेज कर दूंगा और टेस्ट के टाइम पे ऑफ रखूंगा मैं. अरे यार. Okay.
Yeah, you can keep it just right hand side.
All right. Shall we? Oh, I need to look back, right? Yeah.
Look back here.
He was waiting. Yes. I don't need to go in the cycle track, right?
You don't need to go in cycle track. If you're going to drive in a cycle track, it's a very big critical area.
Yeah. Always be. Oh, and should not keep my hand here.
Yeah, always you need to keep your both hand on wheel. Keep
And-
going straight.
Yeah. Straight. I'll drive slowly. I won't rush.
Yeah, and in the driving test, the tips of the passing driving test is don't rush.
Yeah.
Don't rush. Doesn't matter if you're turning left, right, whatever you. Doesn't matter how long it takes. But when you're driving straight, if there is no traffic, you need to follow the speed limit. Take a next left, because if you're going to drive too slow, they can fail you as well. Make sure, look, here in the driving test, you need to be very careful. Do reverse. I'm going to show you something. Make sure check back price, no car.
Okay.
Look, check what is happening there. But
Cycle.
So can you go? No, you need to keep your car there that way.
Okay.
You need to keep your car that from that way. You need to turn left.
I was going to ask and.
Yeah. Make sure you need to be very careful.
Acha. So this one, if it is like this, then I cannot go in there.
You need to stop here, and give your left indicator. Make sure in the Carlton, especially in the Carlton testing route, there is lots of bike lines, lots of pedestrian crossing,
Bike
lots
lines?
of traffic light,
Okay.
and lots of there going to be 40 zones.
So this one bike one will be well highlighted.
Even you take a next left, even you will see any small line. Even you miss the bike sign, still you can understand this is the bike or this is driving line. Because the bike line, the car we can't drive.
Correct.
It's going to be very small line.
Yes.
But the driving line going to be very big line.
Yes. So right now this
So
tram is stopped.
Yeah, your tram is stopped, so we can go slowly. Yeah, we stop correctly. Yep.
So now if we have to go straight.
Yeah, we need to go straight.
So the tram light and the traffic light will not go green together, or can it go together? Because the tram is going this way, right?
Yeah, tram. Look, if they're going to be tram line, the tram line is going to be on, like now.
So I cannot go now. Tram can go.
The tram can go. Yeah.
That's what I was saying. That
Here, most of the time there is a common traffic light, but sometimes there is no common traffic light. So you can go straight. Light is green for you. Green for you. Here you need to follow your line. Look, your line is this way. Make sure from there was two line was becoming. Yeah. So right line, left line. Move to left line, please, when you feel safe. Take your next left again, please. Make sure red.
Yes.
It's a very big mistake. Make sure. And for turning a left, you can turn from that side.
But there was bike line.
Before the bike line, you can turn from this one as well. But what they did, they make it from parking line turning left.
Oh, okay. How do I know?
You need to be very careful little bit before. You need to plan before.
Okay.
Because if we're going to take next right again, please. If you're going to plan little bit late, so you will not able to see the lines. So here, make sure what is it here. So here is a stop sign.
Okay.
Stop sign. You don't need to see the sign.
The car is waiting here.
In a stop sign, what you need first, you need to complete stop. You need to complete stop for 3 seconds, and after that, the safe gap is matter for you.
Okay.
Now it's a safe, then you can go.
I did not see the stop sign. I don't know why. I'm just
Make sure, because you are busy in driving, because you are busy because of not having enough practice. So
there is a stop again.
your all attention is just going on the road, but you're not looking the signs. So we're going to take next left again, please. Make sure check your mirror, center mirror, left indicator.
Stop.
Stop for 3 seconds first. Full stop 1. No, not yet. Look, taking a pause and slowing it down, it's not a complete stop.
Yes.
Complete stop is like a dead stop.
Then I can't go.
Dead stop for 3 seconds. Full stop 1, full stop 2, full stop 3. Now after that is everything is matter for you. Is there light? Is there traffic?
Okay. So right now I cannot. My appointment is 10:10.
You can go because sometime there is a light, sometime there is a no light.
You go.
Yeah, you can go.
Achha, I was waiting for the.
Because when the car was coming and there was a light, and after that there was no light, so we need to be very careful about here. So what is speed limit here?
Nothing is written.
Speed
so
limit there was a speed sign.
Okay.
The speed limit is 40 here.
40, yeah, some below
40. So this is called Rathdown Street. It's a permanent 40 zone. So make sure if the speed limit is 40, you need to drive on
35.
between 30 to 35.
Yeah.
Like for example 31, 32, 33, 34. You need to keep it 5. You need to just keep it for safe side.
Yes. So right here. Is this going to be the exact route, or there is some different route as well?
Look, this is the main testing route, which one I'm going to show you, but it's a depend on the Vic Road officer as well. They can take you a little bit here and there as well.
Okay. Also it's green now.
Yeah, it's very hard to drive on 40 because we're not used to drive on 40. We are used to drive on 70, 80, 50. Most of the students, they fail in their driving test on speed limit on 40 and 60 because we're not used to drive on 40 and 60. The people, they drive very good on 50. People, they very good more than 70. 70 zone they drive perfectly. 50 zone they drive perfectly, but they feel uncomfortable to driving in 40 and 60.
60? Why 60? 40 I understand.
60 because 60 they're not used to drive. Even you will notice if when the people they're going on 60 zone, they're driving on 70.
This yellow light doesn't mean anything, right?
Yellow light means you need to be extra careful.
Okay.
You need to be extra, anytime anyone can come. So that yellow line was pedestrian crossing.
Okay. So if any pedestrian was there, I should have stopped.
You should stop.
Okay.
Pedestrian crossing, even there is no light, anything, you must need to stop. You must need to give way. If you going to fail to give way, they're going to straight away, they're going to finish our driving test.
But if there is a red light even for pedestrians, and the light is red for pedestrians, still someone is crossing, so I should stop. But in case I miss it,
look,
then
there was a light. Even you see a like a pedestrian crossing, yeah, you must need to give way to pedestrian crossing. Most of the time there is no lights because this is a Carlton, so very busy area. So that's why they keep it light as well here. So we're going to take next right again, please. Do a reverse parking again, please, behind this car.
Now I can go in the bike lane.
Now you can go for doing a reverse parallel parking. Then you can use.
This was a mistake.
Make sure this is the mistake. When you feel little bit you touching something, then don't move. Just stop there. Yeah, very good. Well done. Perfect. Okay. Make sure park your car safely.
Safely means this.
Safely means park your car in the parking and handbrake on. When you feel safe, when you're ready, keep going straight again, please.
I'll go a little reverse. Now can I speak before? Like, can I speak to myself?
Yeah,
just
in the driving test, lots of people they have different habits.
Yeah.
So if you are used to talk yourself and
It's okay.
it's okay, no problem.
20
But the thing is that they're not going to respond. So we're going to take next right again, please.
This is 20 zone. Again, this is hard.
20 on speed humps, not here.
Oh, okay.
20 on speed humps. Take a right here.
I had to do a head check at this time. Correct?
No head check because no one can overtake you. There was no bike line side of you. You need to do head check on 3 places. When your car go to stationary position, when you cross the bike line, and when you line change.
Lane change, okay.
Yeah. This roundabout, turn right, please.
And check there.
Oh, because there was no stop sign, no anything, so you don't need to take any stop and pause.
Red light.
Yeah, take a right here. If light is green, you can go.
Okay.
So what you need to do, you need to just stop in center,
Yeah.
and then you can go. That's how you need to go. You can go this side.
Okay, so I could have turned from there only, right? I don't need to come.
Look, he can go right as well, and you can go right as well. Understand? So this is like a share traffic light, so everyone can go.
Okay. But we need to negotiate with the other driver.
Yes, you need to keep your attention on the driver, and you need to keep making the eye contact. And take a next left again, please.
Because it's raining, driving slowly is better than.
Yeah, like it's raining now, so you can drive little slow. So like speed limit is 40 here, you can drive less than 30 now. So we're going to take next right again, please.
Oh, right.
Just wait. Where are you going? Wait, stop. Like, look.
I cannot go there.
No, you can't go. You need to follow your line. You have to follow your line.
Sorry.
And how you can go right from here? You need to go right from here. Give right indicator. And here is a stop sign. First you need to stop for 3 seconds. And now you can go, because that person is giving you give way. You need to keep checking, keep looking who is giving you give way.
Okay, the confusion I had there was because there were two. We were driving in left lane.
Yes. We was driving in left line.
Yeah.
Keep going straight. So what was the confusion?
I had to turn right, so I did not have to take right from the right lane itself.
Because right line was parking line.
Oh, okay.
Parking, and there was Ireland.
Okay.
You know, sometime it start Ireland.
Okay.
So we're going to take next left again here, please. Make sure here you need to do shoulder check. Why? Because cycle line.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
So do you understand what happened there?
Yeah, I confused that parking lane with
So
right.
there was Ireland. You're not allowed to go in drive on Ireland. You need to keep in your line, and you just need to turn right from there.
Okay.
Make sure here is the speed humps. Lots of time they making in the city. It's a pedestrian crossing as well, because they put the zebra crossing.
Correct. So when I was taking right, I had to go straight and then take right, like.
Yes, you need to go straight, and you need
myself.
to stop just before the line, and then you need to turn right from there.
Yeah, so turning right was like, because that crossing was large, so I had to go straight and then right.
Yeah,
right?
straight then turn right. Yes. So we're going to take next left again, please. Make sure in a roundabout always check right hand side.
Yeah.
Right hand side and left hand side. Even no one is coming.
I had checked, but I need to look like that.
You don't need to do shoulder check. You need to look again.
Okay.
So we're going to take next left again, please. When you feel safe, when you're ready, move to right line, please. Make sure with the checking, don't start to move. First complete your shoulder check and then move.
Okay.
Keep going straight.
Okay.
Move to left line, please, when you feel safe. Make sure you're doing too much shoulder check. Shoulder check, always you need to do it. You just need to turn your head just 90 degree, just for a half second, and half second you need to come back. Just that's only you need to check. Complete your shoulder check and then try to change line.
Right.
Don't try to change line with head check, because if you're going to try to change with head check, your car will go with head check. And because that time you don't have any attention, and your car can go somewhere else.
Yep. So after I look,
first complete your shoulder check, come back, then
indicator is already on.
Oil indicator is already on.
Yeah.
Because just going to take you just half second, and that's it.
Yeah, correct.
Because what you're doing now, you're turning 90 degree and you're turning your car as well.
I should not do that.
You should not do that.
Thanks for that.
Traffic light, turn left. this traffic light. Because
Next
this
one?
traffic light, yeah, is just a pedestrian crossing, and there is a no left.
Oh, so will the instructor say this before, this much before?
Sometime take a next left again, please. Sometime they're going to say to you too early, turn left, please. So some student, what they do, they start to give indicator straight away. So you don't need to give your indicator straight away. You always need to give your indicator just 3 seconds before, 3 house before. Suppose I said to you turn left, so you need to give your indicator from here. And make sure here what you did, you touch the straight line. And look, you did 2 mistakes here.
Bike lane.
So first mistake you did when I said to you turn left, please. So always close to the traffic light, always there is a straight line. Did you notice? First there is a dots line, and after that it will be straight line.
Okay.
So make sure always you need to go from the dots line.
Okay.
Straight line you're not allowed to touch.
Okay.
That straight line is for some reason there.
Okay.
That's why they mark it straight line.
I did not get like.
When we was turning left here, yeah. First there was dots line, and after that there was a straight line.
So before the straight line itself, I have to.
You need to move.
I cannot cross after that.
You need to cross. You can't cross after that.
Okay.
If you think you can't change, better to stay there.
Okay.
Better to stay there, because in the driving test, if sometime they say to you turn left, turn right, you can misunderstand as well. But don't try to do incorrect thing, illegal things.
And did I need to do shoulder check?
Here you don't need to do shoulder check, because just line start with you, just front of you.
Right?
Yeah, because just line start just front of you. If the line start, if just a long time ago, then you need to do it, because someone can overtake.
Okay. Now we are driving on trams.
Yeah, we are driving on the tram line, so you just need to follow the same rules.
Same rules.
Same rules. If any tram is just stopping, you just need to see the flashing. If the tram is flashing, you need to stop. Look, and you need to check the arrow. What the arrow saying? From here, your line is going left. This is just for tram.
Correct.
This side is just for tram.
Now we have to go straight.
Yeah, keep going straight. Take it left again, please. Make sure you're not allowed to go here. Look, dots.
Oh, okay. Yeah, got it. Now I got it.
Not go straight line. Always you allowed to go on straight lines. So keep going straight.
Okay. So I took left much before.
Much before, yeah.
Straight, right?
Yeah, keep going straight. Keep going straight.
The stop for tram sign. If there is a tram, then I should have stopped there.
You should stop. If the tram is flashing. If the tram is just normally stop and there is no flashing anything, so you can go, but go very carefully.
Right now there is very less space, so this white line I will.
So you can cross.
Okay.
That one you just don't need to slow down. If there is a parking ahead just front of you, you can just give your indicator, do shoulder check, and then just move. So we're going to take next left again, please.
ग्लास और लगाना था यार, पहले अलाउड ही नहीं है।
No, because of
कोई नहीं,
lockdown.
एग्जम्पशन है अभी तो आई कैन।
No, you're driving really good. Everything is very good. You're going to pass your driving test. Don't lose the hope.
Yeah, I'm confident. It's just these rules, this dotted line thing.
Everything is good because it's good to make a mistake before the test.
Correct.
Because if we're going to make a test in the driving test, we're going to fail. But now you're doing very good. If you're doing any mistake, so we're going to take next left again, please. And here lots of 40 zone everywhere. So always make sure drive between 30 to 35. One thing you need to be very careful, whenever you pressing the brake, you need to check your center mirror, then brake. Mirror brake.
Okay.
Because why? You can see from the back side as well how fast the vehicle is coming. If you're going to look like this, you can press brake accordingly, and you're going to drive with confidence. Because you know your front side, you know back side, you know your sides.
And how frequently I should be looking in the rear view mirror, even if it is a straight road?
Even you're driving straight, whenever you're using brakes, whenever your foot is going to brake, just check mirror then brake.
I'm going in 40 exactly, so I can go slow, right? Even though there is, I mean, I should not exceed 40.
You should not follow the front vehicle.
Yeah,
you
it's
need
confusing.
To follow,
He is
because
going
they already got their license and they don't follow. Most of the people, they're not following the road rules. So because we are going for the test and we need to get our license, for getting a license we need to follow the road rules.
Yes. Yeah, because he was confusing me to go faster. And I'm seeing I'm already on 40.
Oh, yeah, as I'm saying, it's very hard to drive on 40. Because 40 people, they're not used to drive. If the 40 speed, the people they're driving on 50.
So there's a white line, so I can
Move to left line, please, then you feel safe. Look, if they don't say to you anything, you don't need to worry. Just follow the same line. Just follow the same line. And look, you need to be very careful about this type of the line here in the
yellow.
Line is finishing. Look, right line is finishing
yes,
and
yes.
merging to left line.
Correct. So
If this type of the situation happen, they're not going to say to you anything. They're going to check how you're going to react, how you're going to respond according to the road.
So what should have been the reaction?
So
here?
you need to see the arrow. You saw the arrow. Your line is finishing, going that way, means giving you signal to going left hand side. So you need to give your same like a line changing.
Okay.
You need to.
But I was in left. I kept in left. So did I have to give any indicator at that time?
Left side. If you go to left line, yeah. If you go from right line to left line, yes, you need to give indicator.
No, but right now I was already in left lane.
Yep.
So I did not have to.
You don't need to give it because you're going in the same line.
Correct. I just need to be careful that someone might be coming from.
Someone might be coming from, yeah.
Okay. Construction, any speed limit extra?
Look, the construction speed limit is, if you don't see any speed sign, keep it 50. If you see the speed limit, keep it
whatever
40,
it is.
40. Whatever is. Most of the time it's going to be 40.
But if nothing is there, below 50 is fine.
Below, keep it for 50 means 40 to between 45.
40 to 45. Yeah. this I need to practice, that before braking in normal
You need
situation I
mirror
need to,
brake.
even though it is like slow and everything, like
Yes.
the traffic, still I need to see
Still
that.
you need to see that.
Okay. So normally you are confident because you know that here there is no chance of.
Move to right line please when you feel safe.
This time did I started moving early this time also?
No, this time you did very good.
Okay. 140. The speed limit here is not written as for 60 it is, right? I can go little faster.
When you feel safe, when you're ready, move to left line please.
I should.
Look, whenever they say to you move to left line, move to right line, give your indicator straight away. Don't switch off your indicator even the car is close to you. Because if you're going to give your indicator, the car going to start to notice you want to move to right line. And some people, they will start to slow down for you. Some people, they will start to overspeed. So you will automatically get a safe gap. But
Okay.
if you're not going to give indicator, no one is going to know what you want to do. Because you're going to be confused, they're going to be confused.
Okay. Confusion.
Make sure always, to avoid confusion, always keep your indicator on for line changing.
So
Move to right line please when you feel safe. Very good, well done. And keep your speed same, because what you're doing, you're checking your mirror, everything is very good, and you just slowing down, and after that you just moving. You need to maintain your speed limit as well.
Okay.
Because now suppose there is no car coming, suppose there is a car is coming on you want to move from left line to right line, and in the right line the car is coming and the gap is going to be finished because you slowing down. Suppose you going on 55 and that person is coming on 55 as well, but you start to slow down to 50 and he coming on 55,
Gap will be closed.
the
Okay.
gap will be finished. So for line changing, you need to keep your speed same. You need to
Same.
maintain your speed limit.
Okay. To go straight here.
Yeah, keep going straight.
So there you were saying like this kind of situation, whenever lane change she says,
Yep.
immediately indicator
Yeah,
we have
for
to give.
line changing, immediately give indicator.
We can give.
Immediately. But for turning left and right,
You should not
you
give
need
it.
to give your indicator 3 seconds before,
that's
3
what I
hours
was-
before. Sometimes they're going to say to you too early, turn left please.
I should not give the indicator.
You should not give. You need to check where is left, or you need to give it after like a little bit late, 3 seconds before or 3 hours before.
Correct.
Before turning left and
So
right.
that is the difference between
Keep going straight. So we're going to take a next right again, please.
next right. So
Next right.
I can't see the right yet.
Give your indicator just
Okay.
here. Make sure you need to check the tram.
This one?
Yeah, this one, yes.
Tram is
For
coming.
turning right, if the tram is coming, you just need to wait here. You need to give way.
I have to go till here, right?
Yeah, you need to go here till here. Yeah, you need to give way. And you don't need to worry about the backside traffic. And you need make sure it should be keep clear, because it's blind spot for you. Now you can check, and now you can go, because now you can estimate and you can go.
I did not get this one again. If you can explain what was that?
Make sure if the car is coming, you can stop here as well, and after that you can go again.
Can you
Make
explain
sure
what was that?
when your test is going to be finished from here, they're going to say to you turn right please. Make sure you need to go middle. You need to just take an X right here. Take an X right here. You just need to wait middle. You just need to wait for the tram. Keep going straight. Keep going to straight into Vic Road. And take a left. From here, they're not going to say to you, and they're just going to say to you, just park into testing area, please. Turn right.
And then this one.
No, just park over there where we started test from. Just finish over there.
Achha, is that a rule or is it like?
No, it's not a rule. Most of the time they're going to say to you, just park into testing area, please. So the testing area where we start from.
Oh, okay.
Just from there.
Where do you want me to park?
We need to go straight.
Oh, okay, that side.
We
Okay.
need to go straight,
I was thinking this one. Okay.
and we need to turn right.
Okay, got it. Here also indicator.
And just park your car into testing area, please.
Can I park reverse or?
Just park straight. You don't need to park reverse for the driving test. When your test is finished, make sure give your indicator as well in the parking as well. Keep your indicator on.
So right now there is no car, so I can turn like that, right? I can take
You can turn. Yeah, you can use other parking as well.
Is this? I cannot check because there is no camera.
Yeah,
so,
you can go back again.
So in that case, I can.
Yep.
I can go back
You can go back.
and then see the line and come.
Go
front.
very slow. Go very slow. Keep your in the parking. Don't use accelerator. Keep your foot on the brake and just go with it.